ऐसा कुछ।
ओके गुड। हाय एवरीवन। सो आज हम थोड़ा अलग टॉपिक पे बात कर रहे हैं। टिल नाउ हमने जो सेशंस कवर करी है, आई थिंक द फर्स्ट सेशन वी हैड वाज ऑन द विनिंग माइंडसेट, हाउ यू नीड टू बी थिंकिंग इन ऑर्डर टू स्टे इन दिस बिजनेस एंड सक्सीड। देन वी स्पोक अबाउट प्रोस्पेक्टिंग, कि प्रोस्पेक्ट्स कैसे करने हैं। वी ऑल्सो डिड अ सेशन ऑन how you can use webinar as a tool in order to do prospects. And our last session was on the 9 step process to sell, कि अभी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल गया हमारे सामने, प्रोस्पेक्ट बैठा है, what is the best way to kind of make a presentation so that you are able to convert better, because ultimately it boils down to conversion. prospect जो आ गया उसको convert करना हमारा काम है. And we went through the 9 step process. So, any quick shares? Pushkar, I think you were there. Chetna, you were there last time. Were you able to practice it, try it out? कुछ हो पाया उससे? That session on the 9 step process. Yes, Chetna, बोलिए.
No, sir, I have not done anything on that. Sorry for that.
ओके, आई थिंक है ना, इतना टाइम में आप भूल भी जाओगे. इट्स वर्थ वाइल टू काइंड ऑफ चेक द वीडियो अगेन, जरा सा एक बार समझ लेते हैं, बिकॉज वो करेंगे ना तो यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ मैजिक हैपनिंग. हाय हाय जया, थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. गुड इवनिंग टू यू. सो आई
Hello,
थिंक
sir. Good morning. Good evening.
गुड इवनिंग, गुड इवनिंग. सो अर्जुन, जब हमने क्लासरूम सेशंस किए थे एनजे में, आई हैड नॉट येट रीच द 9 step प्रोसेस विच इज देयर ऑन द पेज, सो आई शेयर दैट विद यू. My suggestion is just go through that. So, if you see logically, step by step, what we've done, पहले we started with mindset कि internally you need to be ready to do this business. उसके बाद में okay, if I am internally ready, now I need prospects. So what are the ways to do prospecting? उसमें हमने अलग अलग तरीके, you attended one of the sessions, but we also did something on webinar. हाउ यू कैन यूज वेबिनार्स एज अ टूल. एक बार प्रोस्पेक्ट्स बन गया तो फिर प्रोस्पेक्ट को कन्वर्ट करना है. फॉर दैट यू नीड सम अमेजिंग प्रेजेंटेशंस एंड अ प्रोसेस टू सेल. तो वो हमने किया था इन सेशन 4. सेशन 5 विच इज टुडे इज एसेंशियली हमारे ऑलरेडी अगर क्लाइंट्स हैं, सो हाउ डू वी काइंड ऑफ मेंटेन रिलेशनशिप्स, व्हाट आर सम ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट वी कैन डू. So, if you remember, in the last session, I had spoken that there are 3 ways to grow a person's business. And the 3 ways are: number one, you have to get more customers. Number two, you have to sell more to the same customer. जो हमारा already customer है, how do we cross sell and offer more products? Number three, we said you have to sell more often. Frequency, how can you increase? Which may not be relevant for us, but yeah, step 1 and 2 is definitely relevant for our financial advisory business. तो ये हमने अभी तक डिस्कस किया. नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लुक एट द सेकेंड वे ऑफ ग्रोइंग द बिजनेस, कि ऑलरेडी हमारा कस्टमर है, वी हैव अ डेटाबेस ऑफ कस्टमर्स. व्हाट शुड आई डू सो दैट आई एम एबल टू ग्रो the business that I'm getting even from my existing customer? Do you think that will be useful, guys? Is that a good use of your time today?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
absolutely.
Okay, great, fantastic,
Yes.
lovely. So let me go straight.
Arun sir, I missed something like on the 9 step process. So I missed तभी कुछ तो चल रहा था, तो I missed that. I wanted to really tell you something that इनिशियली जब आपने बताया था कि पहले 2 सेशंस में कनेक्शंस
हाँ,
बनाओ, बुक बनाओ एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो आई वोंट से कि मेरा बुक बहुत बड़ा हो गया है, बट देयर आर कॉन्स्टेंटली पीपल गेटिंग एडेड एंड दैट जैसे आपने पहले सेकंड सेशन में बताया था शायद कि ऐसा अप्रोच करना.
हाँ,
So that has been a very consistent thing. I've been inviting people, they're having a conversation about it. And on the 9 step process, मतलब इतना अभी समझ गया है कि I have to ask for an improvement on anything, like either increase in the amount, increase in the investment amount, increase in a different product. गिवन आवर मार्केट वॉलेटिलिटी अभी के लिए हिसाब से, तो जिसका जो भी है आई एम एबल टू promote that. So वो 9 step में I've been trying to implement that specificity in the last 2 or 3 weeks.
Okay, okay.
I missed saying that, so sorry, I wanted to jump in real quick and let you know.
Yeah, cool, cool. Thanks for sharing it. It helps, you know. It helps me as a trainer. It helps others कि जो यहाँ सिखा रहे हैं वो actually करो तो you immediately start seeing some results. That's good to know. Thanks for that share. Um, Right. So today's session is essentially about customer relationship management, and I'm going to touch some of the basics. आप में से कई लोग हैं, जैसे शशिनाथ जी हैं, कम से कम 25 साल से वो बिजनेस कर रहे हैं. जया मैम हैज बीन डूइंग इट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम एज वेल. So you all know, you all have an idea that customer relationship is how important, but nonetheless, it is worth sharing ki how do we, what are some of the ways in which we can manage relations with customers and make sure it works in our favor, right? And we are getting the business that we want. So, welcome to Module 5 on customer relationship management. And because this is something you guys have been doing, I don't know if we'll go till 9 o'clock. I suspect by 8:15, 8:30 we should be done. But I'm happy, if there are questions, further discussions, experiences you want to share, प्लीज गो अहेड. मुझे रोकिए और अपनी बात रख दीजिए. That'll make be really good. So let's understand why CRM or customer relationship management matters. Some of the things are obvious, but I'm just repeating. We all know customers are the lifeblood of our business. Okay. This second point, which is there, revenue is equal to new customers plus existing customers minus lost customers. It's fairly simple, but having said that, it's important to know that we cannot be losing customers. And in our business, the way I look at it is, मान लीजिए हमारा क्लाइंट हमारे साथ ही इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है, डूइंग ऑल द इन्वेस्टमेंट्स और इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट्स दे आर बाइंग वाया अस. Even if they buy, a little bit from someone else, okay, that is a lost opportunity because वो हमसे लिया. Lost customer doesn't mean कि अभी हमारे से काम ही नहीं करते हैं. Okay, lost customer also means that they could have invested with us. Instead, they have chosen someone else. Even for that small investment is a lost opportunity. So when I say lost customer, look at it from a lost opportunity perspective. So हमारा objective ये होना चाहिए. Till now we have looked at the new customers part of the formula, right? We've seen the new customer part of the formula. That is this one here, new customers. We obviously don't want to lose customers, but having said that, today we are looking at the existing customers part of it as to how we can generate more revenue from them, right? Uh, okay, so yes, happen. Okay. Third point, businesses, our businesses basically, we focus on acquisition but ignore retention. And अक्सर हम क्या करते हैं कि we put a lot of time in the day for our outreach to try and get नया customers कहाँ से आएगा, कैसे एडवर्टाइज करें, कैसे नेटवर्क करें, कैसे ये करें वो करें. हमको प्रोस्पेक्ट्स बढ़ाते रहना है, विच इज अ गुड थिंग, but never ever do it at the cost of existing customers, right? So the idea is अगर बिजनेस में बैलेंस चाहिए तो ऐसा नहीं है कि एक करना है और दूसरा भूल जाना है, दोनों ही साथ में चलते रहना चाहिए. एंड अ बेस्ट वे टू डू इट इज टू हैव अ कैलेंडर, is to have certain hours in the day when I'm going to focus on existing customers and other times when I'm going to try and get new customers. ऐसा एक कर रहा हूं दूसरा नहीं, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. All have to happen at the same time when if we are running a business. So a quick point to ponder, all of you, since आप सबके पास notepad pen होगा, just think about it. You know, what percentage of your current revenue comes from repeat customers? You know, top of your mind, whatever the percentage is, you can talk about it. Some of you may have a very high percentage of, uh, repeat customers. Some may have very low, but it will be interesting. If you can just think and put a number on your paper, maybe you can also share it with us. Just unmute yourself and tell us what percentage you think you are able to do. So, who wants to go? कितना परसेंट साल का रेवेन्यू नए कस्टमर से आता है और कितना जो है आपके रिपीट कस्टमर्स हैं जो पिछले साल के हैं वो इस साल भी आए? यस अर्जुन।
90% is same customer.
90, 90?
Yeah.
Oh wow, awesome. Okay, okay. So that
70% same customer, 30% new customer.
30% is new customer for you, so 70 is repeat is what you're saying. Okay, good. Arjun says 90, Chetan says 70. Any other number you want to share, Chetna?
So yes, I think 80% comes from repeat customers,
Okay,
20% from
80%
new.
is repeat.
Yeah.
Right. Awesome.
So
Anyone
Arun sir,
else?
same for us, like 70 to 80%, like
70 to
75 to
80.
80% is, yeah, repeat.
Okay, okay, fair enough. See, the one thing there is no right or wrong number in this, right? So I definitely don't want to get into what is right and what is wrong and all that. ऐसा कुछ right या wrong number नहीं है, but the percentages do tell a story. If very high is repeat customers, there is good news and there is bad news. Good news is okay, you are at least reaching out constantly to your existing customers और उनसे आप business लेने की कोशिश करते हो, which is a good habit and those are low hanging fruits, easy wins that you have. But it also means that probably हमारा prospect funnel to get new customers is not robust enough. If the existing का बहुत हाई है, existing का लो है, नया वाला ही है, उसका रीजन अलग हो सकता है. वन अभी नया स्टार्ट किया है बिजनेस तो ऑब्वियसली नए लोगों का ही ज्यादा होगा. लेकिन ओल्ड बिजनेस में अगर नए का परसेंटेज ज्यादा है, देन इट मीन्स दैट वी आर नॉट रीचिंग आउट टू एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर्स एंड सेइंग चलो यार हमारे लिए भी लुक एट मी एंड गिव मी सम बिजनेस. सो वी आर नॉट डूइंग दैट. सो दैट्स द थिंग. So there are no right or wrong, but you need to look at this and analyze it, saying, मेरा परसेंटेज ठीक है, ज्यादा है, कम है, क्या है, और कहाँ मुझे फोकस करना चाहिए. तो अगर किसी का रिपीट ज्यादा है, means they are doing good on the customer service front, but they need to focus more on prospecting. So that's the way to look at it. No right or wrong answers here, but yeah, you need to analyze that. Moving on, and that's the importance of CRM, right? So, moving on, just a minute, I'm not able to erase this. Give me a sec.
Control Z.
Control Z, is it? No, it's not working for some reason. I don't know. They had this eraser tool, even the eraser tool is not working. Anyway, let me move on. That's fine. Um, Okay, I had done some study generally ki in our business, what is it, farming an existing customer versus acquiring new customer. What does the research kind of tell us, right? So if you look at effort, obviously for acquiring new customer, the effort is high. We've spoken about cold calls, ads, campaigns. What I have not included is here is also webinars and networking. So all of those things I have taught you so far is all high effort. And for a growing business, in order to really grow the business, that effort is required. However, the effort to farm an existing customer is a little moderate hai, and therefore not to be ignored. Some percentage of effort has to go in that direction. You can't just be looking at only prospecting for new customers. Okay, trust. I think fairly obvious. नया customer में you have to build it from scratch, and we know हमारा business बिना trust के हो ही नहीं सकता. It's all about trust. In case of existing customer है रिश्ता, trust है, तो it becomes easier. The conversion is easier. Okay, cost. Uh, Data again has shown it is 5 to 7x higher when acquiring a new customer as compared to servicing an existing customer. हमको नेटवर्किंग करना है, एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स डालना है या इवेंट्स में पार्टिसिपेट करना है, एंड दैट कॉस्ट इज मनी, टाइम, एवरीथिंग गोज इनटू इट एज अ percentage of the cost, and therefore getting new customer is always going to be slightly more expensive. Now on conversion, fairly obvious. New customer conversions would be lower. Existing customers, if you're able to convince them, you can always farm and get more business from them. Again, ROI for new is slow, for existing customer is fast. But having said that, you have to, I am not saying one is better than the other, guys. Once again, I want to reiterate, वरना आई बी कॉन्ट्रडिक्टिंग माई सेल्फ, क्योंकि मैंने अब तक तो सिर्फ नया कस्टमर के बारे में बोला है. आज मैं उल्टा नहीं बोल सकता कि नया कस्टमर इज कॉस्टली एंड डिफिकल्ट एंड ऑल. इट इज इन कंपैरिजन, बट देयर इज नो ऑल्टरनेटिव. यू हैव टू फोकस some time for new, some time for existing customers, and that balance is what we are going to spend a lot of time talking about today. So, Company A, I've just put a simple example. Company A spends 50,000 on marketing for 10 new customers, and Company B might just spend 10,000 on client engagement and will get better upsells. So, just to put a number, I put that example, but it's not about one or the other. You have to focus on that. But the point to ponder is, which side do you spend more time on? And any one side you're spending too much time, just try to balance it. I think that's the same way, logical way to look at something like this, कि हमको दोनों तरफ बैलेंस रखना चाहिए. Okay. Moving on. Okay. How many of you heard of something called as the engagement calendar? Anyone? कुछ सुना है एंगेजमेंट कैलेंडर नाम की चीज? आइदर हियर और वेरेवर एल्स इन एनी अदर कॉन्टेक्स्ट. कोई एचआर वाले हैं यहाँ पे? Somebody who's been in HR, they will know this engagement calendar, because most of the large companies have something called as engagement calendar, but that's for employees. You have to do employee engagement. Yes, Chetna, आपने सुना है engagement calendar?
Yes, sir, yes, and we are doing it also because we are sending birthday greetings and personalized birthday cards to our clients
Okay,
within their family members also, and
wonderful.
see per month one festival or any one occasion we take, and we send cards on that also.
Wonderful, wonderful.
So
Very
that
nice.
can be, they will be reminding us
Yeah.
somewhere, yeah.
Mm.
Yes.
True. So that is one way to engage. And obviously I'll touch upon that, but there are a few others. So we'll look at all of those today. So engagement calendar is nothing but to put a little structure. जो मैंने अभी तक बोला कि you should spend some time every day trying to service old customer. ये some time का मतलब क्या है, ये कोई समझ नहीं पाता है, इसलिए स्ट्रक्चर होना जरूरी है. आप कुछ स्ट्रक्चर डालते हो तो फिर आपका पूरा काम जो है स्ट्रीमलाइन और फोकस हो जाता है. So that is called as an engagement calendar. It's a structured plan. It builds trust, recall, goodwill. हाँ, most important, ये एक हमारी आदत है, आउट ऑफ साइट आउट ऑफ माइंड. यानी नजर के सामने नहीं है, तो वो दिमाग से हट गया। एंड नजर के सामने कौन रहता है ज्यादातर, व्हेन वी आर चेसिंग अ न्यू कस्टमर, तो पूरा ध्यान उस पे रहता है, तो एग्जिस्टिंग वाला आउट ऑफ माइंड हो जाता है। एंड टू प्रिवेंट दैट, इट्स गुड टू हैव ऑल द डेटा ट्रैक्ड, एंड लाइक Chetna just said, invariably they send greetings and birthday greetings and festival greetings. So that's because there is a calendar and we have the data of birthdays of customers and all of that, and anniversaries and things like that.
I want to share one point in this.
Yes, go ahead, Chetan.
When we are meeting our customers on Diwali and we give them Diwali gifts on structured level, top 20, 25 customers.
Hmm.
So it boosts the relationship, and definitely on coffee or on lunch table, we discuss on the prospects, we discuss on the proposals. So that is also one point of getting structured way to have Excel and enter their names, their contact details, and distributing every year. So it helps them to understand, because they always say ki last year you were there, we had a dinner at this hotel and we had a lunch at this hotel. So something like that we can structuredly plan with our customers, top customers.
Correct. Correct. Wonderful. No, good inputs. I mean, absolutely. Some of you have done it for ages, so it's absolutely a brilliant practice. करते रहना चाहिए. We have to engage. So, what other ways are there? Let's look at this. So, here's a tentative, for example, 12-month engagement calendar that I have put. Guys, I'll share the PDF in the group. So, in case you please feel free to take screenshots or notes if you want, but PDF भी मैं डाल दूंगा. But the PDF also is what I have made. You should be making one for yourself, right? Properly उसमें लोगों का नाम और डेट और कैलेंडर एंड योर क्लाइंट लिस्ट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट एक एंगेजमेंट कैलेंडर आप देखते हो तो आई हैव बेसिकली कैटेगराइज्ड इट इनटू 4 कैटेगरीज. आप कॉलम्स अगर देखोगे मंथ वाइज, तो पहले है नॉलेज अपडेट्स. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल शशिनाथ जी कॉल पे है एंड आई नो नाथ इन्वेस्टमेंट्स कॉन्स्टेंटली सेंड समथिंग और दी अदर, some update कि क्या हो रहा है in the industry, what are some of the new steps. They have a newsletter that kind of keeps coming, right? So knowledge updates is one thing. Second is events. जैसे अभी हमने बोला, नहीं sorry, events is we organize for some like webinar, New Year webinar होगा, या some workshop, या फिर कोई client round table organize करते हैं, या कोई Independence Day meet जैसा, yeah, things like that, or a party, year-end party we can have. Anything of that sort. So, events are another way to constantly engage with clients to do something. I know, for example, I have a friend of mine called Subhash Chavan. He is into mutual funds. His company is into mutual funds. What they do is they constantly call some industry people, like किसी अपना एएमसी का फंड मैनेजर होगा, या इवन सीनियर पीपल लाइक सीईओज ऑफ कोटक म्यूचुअल फंड्स एटसेट्रा, उनको भी बुलाते हैं फॉर डूइंग अ टॉक. So these are the things that you can do. Get people get senior people or you yourself organize for some of these talks. These are again great ways to engage. I know some of you are associated with NJ. तो एनजे में तो बुलाते रहते हैं, लेकिन क्लाइंट्स के लिए मेरे ख्याल से अभी फिलहाल कोई इवेंट नहीं हो रहा है. यू कैन लुक एट इट एट योर लेवल टू डू फॉर क्लाइंट्स ऑल्सो. फेस्टिवल्स एंड गिफ्टिंग्स तो सभी ने बता दिया, सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टॉक मच अबाउट दैट. बट या, ऑल्सो ट्राई टू यूज सोशल मीडिया इफेक्टिवली. योर लिंक्डइन एंड योर Facebook, and obviously messaging through WhatsApp, etc. Keep doing that. Keep talking about success stories. Post your appreciation from clients. Your client का कुछ milestone हो गया, कुछ अचीव कर लिया क्लाइंट ने, बेटे को या बेटी को बाहर भेज दिया एजुकेशन के लिए, थैंक्स टू द इन्वेस्टमेंट दे हैव डन. these are stories that need to keep coming. कोई testimonial है, कोई behind the scenes ऐसा है ना. So some of you have teams. I know Pushkar, you have a team. Shashinath ji also has a team. Who else has a team here? So what about what about you, Chetan, Arjun? आपके पास भी टीम है क्या?
हाँ, I have a team.
You
Yes,
have a team,
me,
right?
I also do have.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
great.
Yes, sir. We also have it.
Great, fantastic. So if we have a team, no, so this becomes like behind the scenes post, मतलब टीम के साथ हमने कुछ कर दिया. यानी as a team we went out and had a pizza party, or we celebrated birthday of one of the team members, or we had a sari day with the team. तो ये जो photographs है, this can also go on social media, and trust me guys, ये भी बहुत powerful होता है. People look at that logically, it doesn't make sense, but it humanizes us. हमारे clients अगर ये post देखते हैं ना, उनको लगता है these guys are human, and वो एक personal touch अगर आता है कि oh, they have a team and they take care of them and they have fun, etc. So it makes a big difference in the way they look at you. They don't look at you merely as a service provider. They see you as a human being, and that's the difference. So these make a difference. Behind the scenes post, client tag post, अगर कोई post डालते हैं तो you can always tag your clients. Industry article share हो सकता है. So Diwali client spotlight, thank you post, reflection post, etc., etc. So there are a lot of ideas here on this paper, on this sheet. मैंने काफी रिसर्च करके सब डाला है दैट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर डूइंग सम ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, एंड इससे क्या होता है, कॉन्स्टेंटली योर क्लाइंट सी यू एंड दे इट बिल्ड्स ट्रस्ट. द मोर पीपल सी यू, somehow they believe that you are more trustworthy, and that's what we want to do, right? And we have to keep also, whenever we start telling client stories or client testimonials that I was able to do this thanks to Pushkar, or I was able to do this thanks to Arjun. Some of your other clients may also see and say, अरे मुझे भी चाहिए. So cross selling की opportunity अपने आप आने लगती है. But we'll come to the selling part later. Currently we are just saying engaged रहना है हमको, and उसके लिए स्ट्रक्चर जरूरी है. ऐसा कोई एंगेजमेंट कैलेंडर आपको बनाना चाहिए कि इस महीने इस तारीख को go down granularly and say put it as month and date of the month, and social media post goes on Tuesday, every alternate Tuesday or something like that. आपका जो भी कैलेंडर है वो सेट करना जरूरी है, and these kind of are the various things that can keep going on social media, through WhatsApp, through emails, through phone calls, through whatever other channel, through walk-in clients, your repeat clients when they walk into your office. There are various ways in which you can continuously engage with them. Moving on to the next slide. Yes. Right. So, this I thought is an interesting one, right? So, some of you have offices where customers walk in. Others may not have walk-in customers. Maybe you operate from home, but you anyways connect with customers over a phone call. Question ये है कि अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं तो हम क्या बात करें? What type of conversation can we have with our customers? That's important to know, right? कि हम बात क्या करें? Because you can't be talking the same thing, how are things, क्या चल रहा है, बाकी सब, सर कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट का सोचा है क्या, कुछ नया करना है क्या? So don't get straight away into that. You are an expert. You need to be able to engage customers with a lot of different conversations, right? So ये customer conversations बहुत अलग अलग topics के आपके होते रहने चाहिए, and that is what I always talk about. So here are some business updates can be a topic. What's your biggest challenge this quarter? If your client is a businessman, you can have, what's the biggest challenge, क्या हो रहा है, अभी ट्रम्प का इसके वजह से हैज इट अफेक्टेड योर बिजनेस, you know how much of your this thing is export. So these are conversations you can have. Industry trends, okay, abhi GST, with the GST rationalization that has happened, what is the impact? Which industries will take a positive impact? Will automobiles boom now that smaller cars have much lesser GST? And therefore should we look at investing in certain funds which focus more on automotive industry? Health insurance, GSTs have dropped, plummeted, so health insurance becomes cheaper. These are all discussions that can be had. You can also talk about feedback. Okay, a conversation saying, I just wanted feedback from you. How is it going? How did you like what we are doing? Do you feel हमको कुछ अलग करना चाहिए? आपने कुछ और देखा है, हमारे लिए suggestions है. These are conversations you can have. अच्छा, new needs. Any upcoming projects that are coming up? Okay. Oh, your kid has moved has just entered into school. So that's a new need, right? That's come up, has gone into school. So have you thought of something? So these are conversations you can have. Personal touch, daughter's graduation. So the question really, the last point that is there, points to ponder is, जब भी ये सोचने वाली बात है, and I want you guys to introspect and think about it next time you are talking to a customer, कि आप बात करते क्या हो? Do you talk more about your company, कि ये प्रोडक्ट आया है, ये आया है, आप ये क्यों नहीं लेते हो? That is straight away you are talking about your company and your product. Or are you talking about their needs? What is happening in their life? And if so, what percentage? राइट? अक्सर मैंने देखा है बहुत सारे लोग 80% वो खुद की बात बोलते रहते हैं, 20% सामने वाले की सुनते हैं, कस्टमर के, स्पेशली इफ द कस्टमर इज स्लाइटली साइलेंट. आई थिंक अगर कस्टमर थोड़ा साइलेंट है, इट इज ऑल द मोर इम्पोर्टेंट दैट यू बी साइलेंट एंड आस्क क्वेश्चंस एंड अलाउ द कस्टमर टू स्पीक. So the percentage should be 80-20 in favor of the customer actually, जब भी हम बात करते हैं. So these are the variety of topics, discussions, conversations that can be had with the people. Right. Any questions so far? I'll just pause for a bit. Any observations, questions that you have? Just stop for a bit and yeah. Any points, any discussion? Okay, fair enough. So I'm assuming,
So,
yeah.
would like to say that many of our clients, uh, call us and ask for their our view on their projects or anything happening in that personal space also. So most
Okay.
of the clients, yeah, call us and means take suggestion. If they want to buy a car, also they will ask. Mostly they call my husband for that all matters. What car should I buy? What do you think? Once a client called and he asked that I want to change the tire of my cars.
Hmm.
So what will you prefer? Miss, I don't know anything about that. You just suggest me. So likewise, many of us they call and ask.
No,
So that is the
no,
case.
that's beautiful. That's
Yeah.
beautiful, when customers start asking कि मैं मुझे बच्चे को कौन से स्कूल में एडमिशन कराना चाहिए, दैट मीन्स दे रियली रियली ट्रस्ट यू, कि गाड़ी कौन सा लेना चाहिए, टायर कौन सा, मीन्स द ट्रस्ट लेवल्स आर वेरी वेरी हाई. सो इट्स
One
ऑलवेज
of
अ गुड
one
थिंग.
of our customer called us and asked, do you have any a jeweler, known jeweler of yours? So who is trustworthy? So I can purchase some stones. He wanted to purchase some gemstones. So
Wonderful.
likewise, many of them call us and ask.
Wonderful. It only means they trust you. That's why they are asking for
Yeah,
all of
yes.
these things. No, that's nice. That's really nice. Thanks. Thanks for sharing. Okay.
अगर
So,
ज्वेलरी दिला रहे हो तो 2% चार्ज करो उस पर. Good.
दो,
It's also an investment.
नहीं नहीं भाई 2% चार्ज मत करो बट या इट्स गुड टू नो दैट पीपल ट्रस्ट यू लाइक दैट नाइस ओके सो राइट what I would want to do is how many people do we have? We have me and seven other participants, right? Uh, so let me create three breakout rooms and I will randomly assign. So one room might have three people and other rooms will have two people. What I want you to do once I create the breakout room is uh, just have a quick conversation. One of you play the role of a client and the other play the role of a financial advisor and just ask for how has it been with you. This client has been with you for a year, so ask about business update, share some industry, explore some needs, and close with appreciation. So we'll do this role play for about total of 10 minutes, and I'll come to each of the rooms and spend some time with you. Let's do a little bit of role playing today. So I've created three breakout rooms and I'm going to randomly assign. I don't know who will be in which room. So guys, have fun with this activity. Everyone participate. I'll come into each room and maybe have a quick chat. Are we good? Shall I go ahead?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Let's do that. So I'm opening all rooms. Chetna, you can also join the room. Yeah, okay.
अपने भी क्लाइंट होंगे, अपने भी क्लाइंट्स होंगे कि
तीन लोगों में कैसे करेंगे?
वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, लाइक आई थिंक रोल प्ले में भी वी हैव टू डिस्कस कि अपन कौन से डायरेक्शन में एज एडवाइजर्स, लेट्स कंसिडर आवरसेल्व्स एज एडवाइजर्स, ठीक है? तो लास्ट अगर बाकी सब छोड़ो, क्लाइंट अपने साथ 1 साल से है, बट पिछले 1 साल में द मार्केट मूवमेंट जो हुआ है, वी शुड, द थ्री ऑफ अस शुड डिस्कस विद इन आवरसेल्व्स कि व्हाट डू वी नो ऑफ द मार्केट, एंड देन वी कैन रोल प्ले समथिंग एंड देन वील गो फ्रॉम देयर. बट 3 लोग में कैसे करेंगे वो अरुण सर डिस्कस करेंगे अपने साथ.
No, fair enough. I mean, one can be an observer because we had an odd number of people, seven tha, so it was not possible to make all pairs. Um, one person can be an observer, but two can act, one as a customer and the other as an agent. And just all I want you to do is practice the art of having a pleasant conversation with people without actually trying to sell. Okay, it's just a conversation that builds trust, build relationship, the kind Chetna mentioned, right? हर चीज के लिए अगर लोग आपके पास आने लगे मीन्स ट्रस्ट लेवल इज दैट हाई. बट हैव अ कॉन्वर्सेशन कि आपका बिजनेस कैसे चल रहा है, हाउ हैज द लास्ट ईयर बीन, etc. That kind of role playing you can just do. One act as a client and the other as a advisor.
Chetna Madam, Arjun sir, do you want to take the lead on this?
For this one, I would prefer to be an observer.
Acha. Chetna Madam, you
सोचे में आते हैं क्या आपको सोशल सर्विस पसंद है ऐसे
अच्छा,
ऐसे ही शुरू करते हैं
ऐसे शुरू करते हैं ना? बस वही है, कॉमन पूछते हैं।
ऐसे ही रहता है ना नॉर्मली हम लोग का तो यही रहता है. आप बताइए ना शशिनाथ जी, आप कैसे शुरू करते हैं? कोल्ड कैनवसिंग करते होंगे ना आप तो.
हाँ, कोल्ड कैंप करता था एक टाइम पे, बहुत सारा किया है। अभी सब रेफरेंस के ऊपर ही चल रहा है, लोग रेफर करते हैं फिर उसके ऊपर चलता है।
अच्छा अच्छा, तो आप कन्वर्सेशन कैसे शुरू करते हैं नॉर्मली?
कुछ करता ही नहीं मैं शुरू, इसके लिए मैं आया हूँ अभी सीखने के लिए।
ये
अरे नहीं 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 सर, आप इतना एक्सपर्ट है, बाप रे बाप रे बाप रे
एक्चुअली सर,
नहीं,
एक्चुअली
ये एजेंडा, ये एक्टिविटी का एजेंडा बहुत सिंपल है. मान लीजिए आप में से एक एडवाइजर है और एक कस्टमर है जिससे एक
वो
साल
हम
का
लोग ने कर लिया
रिलेशनशिप.
कि शशिनाथ जी का टाइम है
सुन लीजिए सर, क्या बोले सुन लीजिए पूरा। हाँ सर।
हाँ नहीं, मैं बता रहा था एक एडवाइजर है, एक कस्टमर है, और वो
हम्म
कस्टमर मान लीजिए एक साल से आपके साथ जुड़ा हुआ है.
हम्म
अभी आप बात कर रहे हो तो
हम्म
एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर से जब बात करते हो तो क्या बात कर सकते हो, दैट इज द थिंग. कि कोल्ड वाला नहीं है ये, तो आप यही बात करोगे ना कि अच्छा आपका बिजनेस क्या है, ओके आपका इंडस्ट्री पे क्या फर्क पड़ा है ये ट्रम्प के वजह से
एग्जैक्टली.
या जीएसटी के वजह से या फिर बारिश के वजह से, समथिंग और दी अदर. या ये जरंगे पाटिल का जो ये पूरा मोर्चा आया था. सो देर आर सो मेनी डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स. तो ये
हम्म
क्या बात करनी है इज व्हाट यू नो
हम्म
एंड अल्टीमेटली उसको लीड करते करते हमको हमारा काम के तरफ, यानी कुछ और आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो क्या, इसके लिए आप कुछ करना चाहिए. घूम फिर के अल्टीमेटली वहां पे जाती है कॉन्वर्सेशन.
ओके।
लेकिन वो बात उस वहां तक पहुंचने का जो टेक्निक है वो ऐसा नहीं कि हाँ जी सर बोलिए, अभी आपने काफी दिन से इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया है, अभी क्या करना है बताइए. वो तो
हाँ,
हम
वो
सीधा
नहीं करेंगे.
यानी किसी के जेब में हाथ डाल के पैसा निकालने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. मैं बोल रहा हूँ स्मूथली वहां पे जाना है,
यस
सीधा
यस।
नहीं जाना है. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम
जैसे कुम्हार वो बर्तन बनाता है, एक हाथ अंदर रखता है फिर ऊपर से पीटता है,
सेइंग.
चोटने लगता है।
तो वैसा है.
हम्म,
ठीक है, तो
मैडम ने
एक
बहुत अच्छा
एक
सुनाया।
प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए, रोल प्ले कर लीजिए. मैं दूसरा रूम में जरा देख लेता हूँ.
अच्छे से बताइए मैडम, सब बढ़िया। ठीक है, अभी ऐसे
और
एक छान मिळायचे आपल्याला चान्सेस वाढवतो.
Mhm.
I hope you are listening.
Yes, yes, yes.
So these are what equity linked savings scheme which are helping you in this. And apart from that, आपण काही hybrid funds सुद्धा घेतले होते. Is that right?
Hybrid funds in terms of नाही समजलं मला.
ओके. हायब्रिड फंड्स मध्ये तुम्हाला जर आठवत असेल, आपण म्हणजे आपण जेव्हा आपण इन्व्हेस्टमेंट केली तेव्हा आपण SIP चालू केली होती, राईट? आय एम जस्ट अज्युमिंग चेतन की आपण जस्ट
Yes,
मी एक
yes.
अज्युम करतो की आपल्याला SIP आणि हे माहिती आहे त्याने मी आपल्याला पुढे चाललोय.
हो,
सो
हो, हो.
जस्ट लेट मी नो की
Yes, yes.
तुम्ही SIP थोडंसं मी ह्याच्यावर
Arun sir, I have someone in front of me. I need to drop off.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
You can be on mute and maybe continue as soon as your meeting is done.
Okay, chalega.
Right. I think we're just waiting for a few more. Arjun, how was your room? Were you all able to have some conversation, role play? I know it's difficult, but role
Yeah, we had a good conversation.
you did okay. We have Chetna's also joined in. जया कुछ बात हो पाया बाद में मेरे जाने के?
Yes, definitely. We had a very good
Hello.
role play.
Already Apan.
Yes, very good.
Okay, good. Ashwin and Chetan, I
Hello.
thought were
Yes.
deeply in conversation. मैं उनके रूम में गया तो already वो काफी घुसे हुए थे रोल प्ले में and they were doing quite well. Yeah, that's nice.
Yes.
So, guys, the idea of doing the role play very simple. मैं शशिनाथ जी और जया को भी बता रहा था. See, what we do is when customer comes, we begin a conversation saying, आइए बैठिए चाय वाय लोगे, and then बहुत टाइम हो गया कुछ इन्वेस्ट ही नहीं किया, अभी कुछ करिए, so we start that way and that's not a very elegant way to do it, ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे हम उनका पैसा लेने के लिए बैठे हैं. So the idea of having a conversation is to generally talk about stuff, add value, show them, use every opportunity दिखाने के लिए कि मेरे पास कुछ ऐसा नॉलेज है कि मैं हर टाइम आपको वैल्यू ऐड कर सकता हूँ. सो अपना नॉलेज दिखाने का भी मौका कर, उनको भी बात करने का मौका दीजिए अबाउट देयर चैलेंजेस इन लाइफ, क्योंकि उनके चैलेंजेस से ही तो हमको मौका मिलेगा टू प्रोवाइड सम सॉल्यूशन यूजिंग आवर प्रोडक्ट्स. सो that is the thing. Ultimately, the conversation should lead to me asking for business. बिजनेस करने के लिए ही हम बैठे हैं, बिजनेस हमको मांगना है, दैट देयर इज नो डाउट, बट लेट्स डू इट इन स्टाइल. आई थिंक दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई आई सेड एक रोल प्ले कर लेते हैं. और ये बहुत सारी टॉपिक्स हैं, जनरली हमारी तैयारी होनी चाहिए. वी शुड बी टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल दीज टॉपिक्स टू आवर क्लाइंट्स, राइट? ओके. एंड लाइक आई सेड कि अल्टीमेटली you have to ask for more business. Okay, that is why we are there. ऐसा हम चैरिटी के लिए नहीं बैठे हैं. We want to do business, so we have to ask for more business. But there is a golden rule. Ask only after adding value. तो हम जो बोलते हैं ना, so offering चाय is not adding value, हाँ, by the way. कुछ लोग चाय वाय पिला के हाँ आपने इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया बोल देते हैं. So don't ask for business. That's not adding value. Adding value is you really need to, give them some perspective, some industry update, find out a need, give them a solution, find about their problems. Even, कौन सा गाड़ी खरीदना है, कौन से स्कूल में एडमिशन लेना चाहिए, इवन दोज थिंग्स एंड अप एडिंग वैल्यू. और अगर क्लाइंट आपको उन चीजों के साथ ट्रस्ट करता है तो नथिंग लाइक इट. आई मीन that is what we want to be doing, right? So fair enough.
Actually, I want to share one experience of mine.
Yeah.
In our networking sessions, no, I met one guy. He is from LIC MDRT. So he met me thrice and he started pitching policies and other aspects. So I heard about it, but without any discussion, he started pitching on the tenure of the policy, per month investment. So in such scenarios, no, because I am from training field and he is from this pitching point of LIC, particularly is the MDRT of LIC.
Correct.
So in such scenarios, how he is supposed to take care or tackle the situation, because without knowing each other, he is trying to push me on that. So that was a pretty difficult situation for me to handle him. It happened.
You know how you felt, right? You're never going to give business to that
Right.
person because you are so uncomfortable with this whole thing. So यही होता है अगर हम सीधा बिना वैल्यू ऐड किए, बिना रेपो बिल्ड किए, बिना कुछ किए सीधा जाके and Chetan, this was the first instance. So anyways there is no trust. मैं तो ये बोल रहा हूँ कि forget first instance. Even if they are your existing client और आप उनसे 10वीं बार मिल रहे हो तो भी डोंट स्टार्ट द सेइंग दैट अरे इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया बहुत टाइम से, चलिए कुछ करते हैं. Always add value in a con, whether it is the first or the 10th. Always add value first. उनको मन करना चाहिए कि अपने मन से दे शुड फील कि आई हैव टू गो, यार अभी टाइम पड़ा है हाथ में, क्या करे शाम को, चलो इसको जाके मिलते हैं. बिकॉज दे फील दैट आपको आके मिलेंगे तो कुछ वैल्यू उनको मिलेगा. तो अगर आप अपने क्लाइंट्स को ऐसा वैल्यू दिखा पाते हैं थ्रू योर कॉन्वर्सेशंस, उनको नॉलेज देके, उनसे बातें करके, इफ यू आर एबल टू डू दैट, देन ऑब्वियसली इट इज सक्सेसफुल. सो वेरी सिंपल, वो जो गोल्डन रूल है, आस्क ओनली आफ्टर एडिंग वैल्यू. दिस इज ट्रू वेदर इट इज द फर्स्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन और द 10th. ओके, वैल्यू ऐड करना ही है एंड वैल्यू कैन बी एडेड इन मेनी वेज. उसका भी मैं एक अलग पीपीटी, हाउ टू ऐड वैल्यू का भी मैं दिखाता हूं बिकॉज मैंने बीएनआई में भी करी है दैट सेम ट्रेनिंग. बट एडिंग वैल्यू बेसिकली, हाउ डू यू ऐड वैल्यू टू योर क्लाइंट? यू कैन गिव नॉलेज. ओके, you can find out what's happening in their life, understand their problems. अगर आप उनका प्रॉब्लम सुनते भी हो तो इट्स वैल्यूएबल फॉर सम पीपल. उनका कोई सुनता नहीं है लाइफ में. कोई तो है जो उनका प्रॉब्लम उनसे पूछ रहा है, उनकी बात सुन रहा है एंड उसको कुछ देने की कोशिश कर रहा है, एंड दैट इटसेल्फ इज वैल्यूएबल फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. सो यू हैव टू फिगर आउट व्हाट इज वैल्यू टू द पर्सन. यू हैव टू ऐड वैल्यू एंड देन हद से मांगो उसके बाद में. ये यस जय, आपको कुछ कहना है?
Yes, Arun sir. I wanted to say that hearing them out is a very big value added addition because it solves a lot of problems. Sometimes clients come with this problem, that problem. So when we hear them out, actually there's no problem. They just want to be heard. So then the reputation business also comes from there. So now, like, the only thing is we just sit and hear.
Yeah, people love, I mean, बहुत
Solution
लोग.
only they will only give. Yeah, but just have to say, okay, yes, sir. Okay, is it? Karte, then the sale is also done.
फिर वो खुद अच्छा भी आए हैं तो चलो ये चेक भी ले लो, चेक भी देके जाते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज
Exactly.
समवन
Yes,
लिसन टू
yes.
देम.
It has happened so many times. I've experienced. Just hear them out.
Yeah, so true, so true. Lovely. So, what are the ways in which you can ask, right? हमने वैल्यू ऐड किया है, फिर हम पूछ कैसे सकते हैं? सो वन थिंग इज, आजकल बहुत सारे क्लाइंट्स ऑटोमोबाइल में जा रहे हैं, या फिर रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी एरिया में बहुत लोगों का इंटरेस्ट है, या फिर ये काइंड ऑफ प्लान में उनका ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, यूलिप में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, टर्म में है, इसमें है, उसमें, वट एवर इट इज, मेनी क्लाइंट्स आर डूइंग दिस. Would you also like to explore? That is one way in which you can ask. और यू कैन ऑलवेज से, अभी तक हमने ये सब प्रोडक्ट्स लिया है एंड आपको ऑलरेडी 24% रिटर्न मिल रहा है, या फिर इफ इट्स सम अदर इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट द वैल्यू देयर एंड से कि दिस इज द कवर दैट यू आर गेटिंग एंड दिस इज द बोनसेस दैट आई हैव गॉट एडेड एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. तो अभी थोड़ा इसको एक्सटेंड करें, थोड़ा और करते हैं तो इतना आपको फायदा होगा, आपके गोल के लिए इतना है. Please always make sure you have written down the goals of all the members and put a value to each goal. And then you can keep reviewing every time and saying हमारा जो गोल है, हमेशा गोल ओपन करके बोलने का, ये गोल है और ये यहाँ पे गैप है अभी तक, इसके लिए कुछ करते हैं क्या, तो दैट ये आपको दिक्कत नहीं होगी जब आपका बेटा 21 का होगा, यू विल हैव दिस, या बेटी 21 की होगी तो यू विल हैव दिस. सो यू कैन ऑलवेज हैव दैट conversation. The last is, are there other areas we can support your team in, right? You or your team, either of them, कि कहीं और support कर सकते हैं क्या? And यहाँ पे you find people saying, like Chetna mentioned earlier कि कौन सा गाड़ी लूं, कौन सा टायर लूं. So all areas of support people can ask, but if they are asking that of you, it is good. वो आपको ट्रस्ट करते हैं तो बिजनेस तो आपके पास ही आएगा, राइट? तो जैसे प्रिंटर कंपनी वाले हैं ना, प्रिंटर एक भेज देते हैं, उसके बाद में असली पैसा जो है टोनर पे बनता है और मेंटेनेंस पे बनता है. सो इट इज द सेम वे इन आवर प्रोडक्ट ऑल्सो. वंस यू सोल्ड अ सर्टेन प्रोडक्ट, ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट some you know some add-on that you can do, some cross-selling of some other product. Talk about how medical expenses are increasing, and some stories of how a cancer patient had to end up spending 60 lakhs, and हम ये 10 लाख का मेडिकल कवर लेके खुश होते हैं, उससे कुछ नहीं होता जरूरत पड़ने पे. सो यू कैन हैव ऑल ऑफ दीज कॉन्वर्सेशंस एंड फाइंड गैप एरियाज, बट ऑलवेज ऐड वैल्यू. उसके बाद में हम ये बात कर सकते हैं. सो पॉइंट्स टू पॉन्डर. आई एम श्योर ऑल ऑफ यू आर डूइंग इट, बट जस्ट अ थॉट कि व्हेन वाज द लास्ट टाइम यू आस्क्ड फॉर एडिशनल बिजनेस? होपफुली इट इज टुडे ओनली. कि आज ही कुछ कस्टमर्स को कॉल करके आई आस्क फॉर मोर बिजनेस, बिकॉज यू शुड बी डूइंग दैट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. बट आस्क फॉर मोर बिजनेस ऑलवेज आफ्टर एडिंग वैल्यू. दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन दिस, right? So the other thing that you can always leverage from existing customers is to ask for referrals. Okay, and the best referrals always come from happy customers. Abhi, I think most of you are members of BNI. Some of you are not. I know Pushkar is not in BNI, but most of you are. आपको बीएनआई ने एक बात सिखाया कि हाउ टू आस्क फॉर रेफरल्स, राइट? 30 सेकेंड में वो मनी फनल सिखाते हैं, बोलते हैं B2C रेफरल में हमको कैसे रेफरल मांगना है. ये पूरा एमएसपी में सिखाया जाता है. आई हैव डन इट सो मेनी टाइम्स. सो माय रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू, सो I don't think I know Pushkar is not there, but Arjun, are you in BNI? No, na? I don't think Arjun is also in BNI. So we need to know how to ask for referrals. Huh? Don't just say, "Can you give me referrals?" Can you give me referrals? अगर आप बोलते हो ना, तो more often than not आपको आंसर ये मिलेगा, या आई कांट थिंक ऑफ एनी, लेकिन कोई दिमाग में आया तो आप ही के पास आएंगे, बोल के वो बात वहीं पे खत्म हो जाती है. और वहां से जाने के बाद वो तो नहीं सोचने वाला रेफरल्स के बारे में. वो रेफरल्स के बारे में अगली बार तभी सोचेगा व्हेन यू आस्क फॉर रेफरल्स. तब तक वो रेफरल सोचेगा नहीं. So while referrals is a great way to multiply your business, you have to use the BNI में जो सिखाते हैं मनी फनल टेक्निक्स, वो यूज करना है. तो आपको दिमाग में बताना है, ओके, आपके सोसाइटी में डू यू नो somebody who has 10-year-old kids? आपके कोई खास दोस्त है? So you are narrowing them and making them think, right? Can you think of a business owner जो नेरुल MIDC में जिसका फैक्ट्री है, ऐसा कोई बिजनेस ओनर को आप जानते हो क्या? सो व्हेन यू स्टार्ट आस्किंग वेरी स्लाइटली मोर स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चंस ना, तभी लोगों के दिमाग में आता है, अरे हाँ, ये तो है मिकदाद मर्चेंट मर्चेंट है, उसका तो यूनिट यही नेरुल में फर्नीचर बनाता है, ठीक है, मैं उसको इंट्रोड्यूस कराता हूँ. सो it starts coming to mind. So you have to ask for referrals in that way. Okay, so remember the BNI techniques in mind. Help people to think of referral. Don't say generic, आपके पास कोई रेफरल है तो दे दो, बिकॉज कुछ आता नहीं है. ऐसे बोलने पे दिमाग में कुछ आता नहीं है, और लोग यही बोलते हैं पोलाइटली, दे विल से हाँ हाँ वो तो आएगा तो आप ही को देना है, बोल के वो चले जाएंगे, राइट? So you need to ask for referrals continuously. Let me just pause here. I'll stop sharing quickly for a sec. Yeah. I had a question. I mean, Would you like a quick refresher on how to ask for referrals BNI का मनी फनल से? Quick refresher. Will that be
Yes,
useful
sir.
or
Yes.
should I move
Yes,
on?
yes, yes, Arun.
Okay.
Yes, Arun, yes.
So let me see if I can pull that BNI slide out. One sec.
Because Arun, I don't know about others, but for me, I'm not at all comfortable asking for reference, to be very honest.
Okay. Good. Good. Then you need to go through this, right? Asking for referrals, I think we ask for referrals straight, and that is a problem. So let me tell you how to actually ask for referrals. And it's a very important thing. You need to ask for referrals because somebody who trusts you is going to refer, and they will tell that person that I trust this person. It actually, आपका suppose you're going from a cold first introduction to sale, suppose it is a 5 step process. आपको रेफरल मिलता है ना, आप सीधा स्टेप 4 में पहुंच जाते हो. फर्स्ट 2-3 स्टेप आपका स्किप हो जाता है, एंड दैट्स द बेनिफिट. यू डोंट हैव टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रस्ट बिल्डिंग एंड ऑल दैट. But anyways, let me just quickly show you that slide. One sec. हाँ. So ours is a B2C money funnel. Okay, so this is called as a typical money funnel or a B2C. Most of us look at our business as B2C only, कि we want to sell directly to people who are going to use the product themselves. Okay, B2B in our case would be if you say that please connect me to HR manager of a company so that I can make a knowledge sharing presentation. So वो B2B हो जाता है. वो मैं उसको साइड पे रख रहा हूँ, मैं B2C बोल रहा हूँ. डायरेक्टली हमको कस्टमर चाहिए, तो व्हाट डू यू डू? सो ऑन योर फ्रंट ऑफ यू जस्ट ड्रॉ अ ट्राइंगल विथ 3 लाइंस इनसाइड. सो देयर आर 4 सेक्शंस, और वो 4 सेक्शन में हम जब ये रेफरल मांगते हैं तो this is the way we ask, what is your product or service? In our case, we are basically financial advisors, but still we can ask for a specific product or service for that day. Is it term? Is it ULIP? Is it, a balanced fund in case of mutual funds? Or is it SWP, STP? What is it that you are talking about? Keep that in mind. What type of person needs that, right? Keep that in mind. So let's say you're thinking of a pension plan, right? What type of a person needs that? So guys, quickly, if I'm thinking of selling a pension plan and I'm asking for referrals with respect to pension plan, what type of person needs a pension plan? Who will be a good client for a pension plan?
Retired or just a person who's just about to get retired. Even, the person who's planning for retirement.
Okay. So what age group? I mean, person who's just about to retire, it may be a little too late. I think we need to build a corpus before that, so that वो pension में
That's
डाल
right,
सके.
that's right.
Yeah.
So as no, normally, as you said, that has to be goal oriented. So
Yeah.
one of the goal has to be retirement planning,
Yeah.
and the early you start, better for you.
So
The person even
typically, is it
yeah,
okay? Is it okay if I say a person in late 30 or early 40 might be a target? Hello?
yes,
Yeah. So let's say, okay, somebody from the age group of 35 to 45, let me say. Okay. The next question I'll ask, more often than not, is it a man or a woman in your business? I mean, the idea is not to be gender biased or whatever, बट आप अपना बिजनेस जानते हो, आप जानते हो जनरली कौन डिसीजन लेता है. सो इज इट अ मैन और अ वुमन फॉर अ पेंशन प्लान काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट?
Man,
सॉरी,
Mostly man.
mostly
मोस्टली मैन.
man.
ओके. ओके. नाउ योर कस्टमर जो आपके सामने बैठा है, जिससे आप रेफरल मांग रहे हो, हाउ डज दैट पर्सन नो दिस अदर पर्सन, दिस 40-year-old मैन दैट यू वांट? आपका कस्टमर उसको कैसे जानता है, कैसे जानता होगा, सोचिए. हाउ माइट your customer know this other person in the age group of 35 to 45?
उसका
He
relative
could be
हो
a
सकता है.
colleague or a
Could be a
neighbor.
colleague, okay?
Family person, family member or relative.
Okay, family member, but याद रख, दिलाने का तरीका could be somebody in your family WhatsApp group. Okay, so that way you can do that. Who else could it be? In your society, right?
Yes.
Could be in the society. Could be if the person is into running, आपका running club में कोई है क्या, या वॉकिंग क्लब में कोई है क्या? सो देर आर सो मेनी वेज दैट द पर्सन माइट नो, राइट? सो द वे यू आस्क फॉर अ रेफरल, सपोज दैट पर्सन नेम इज से क्षितिज वर्मा. सो यू विल से, हे हाय क्षितिज, आप तो जानते हो कि पेंशन प्लान्स के कितने फायदे हैं, एंड आई एम रियली फोकसिंग ऑन दिस टू हेल्प people in the age group 35 to 45. दैट्स द बेस्ट पीरियड है ना. लोग अगर ये लेते हैं तो उनका लाइफ रियली रियली इम्प्रूव्स. तो 35-45 का आपके सोसाइटी में कोई जान पहचान का है क्या, या फिर आपके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में कोई है क्या, या वॉकिंग क्लब में है क्या? वॉट एवर, यू पिक वन एंड से दैट आप किसी को जानते हो क्या इस तरीके से, so that I can really make a difference in their life and help them. So that's how you end up asking. So you pick a product, in this case, let's say pension plan. What type of person? Men in the age group 35 to 45. How does this person know? Pick one, maybe society or maybe running club, whatever it is. Pick one. And then you ask, say that, do you know someone like this? Can you please connect me? इससे है ना आपका रेफरल्स मिलने के चांसेस बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं. इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट सेइंग गिव मी रेफरल्स, ओके, होपफुली someone was reluctant to ask for referral. Ashwin, that was you, right? Ashwin?
Yes, yes,
You were
yes, yes, yes.
reluctant to ask for referral. So don't make it sound like you're asking for a referral. Make it sound like you're doing good for people by helping their life, by helping them plan pension so that they have a good life. Their last innings in life is a good one. So you just want to help someone else. So the
In
way
our
you
context, how we can ask?
sorry,
In our training context, how we can ask?
training context.
Yeah.
Uh, sorry.
In
Okay.
our, because in our training context, no,
Yeah.
when we ask about referrals, no, to each others, and what
No,
would be the
who are you asking? That becomes B2B, right? Generally,
right.
training would be B2B. So B2B ask is a slightly different funnel, and I'll pick that up separately, Chetan. उसमें है ना क्या होता है? There you need to do a little research, and you should specifically say, can you connect me to Mr. Anand Kothari, who's the senior vice president in Kotak Mahindra Bank, so that I can offer training services, whatever. So you ask in that manner, because B2B में लिंक्डइन विंक्डइन देख के आपको रिसर्च किया हुआ रहना चाहिए कि ये मेरा लिस्ट ऑफ टारगेट क्लाइंट्स है. Whereas B2C में you can't make a list, no? Anybody is typically your target client. तो भी if you say connect me to anybody, तो कुछ रेफरल नहीं आता है. So the trick I was just sharing is simple, that when you ask saying that today pension plan के लिए 35-45 any men in your family, तो कुछ ना कुछ किसी के दिमाग में आ जाता है, and then it becomes easy to kind of give that referral. Right? So that is the context with which I was sharing.
I got it.
Yeah. Okay. Right. So that is the technique, guys. I hope that really helps you to ask for referrals because it's important to ask for referrals. It helps you to accelerate your sales growth. And coming to the slide again. Huh. So that actually kind of brings me to the end of today's session. I told you 8:30. What I want to do, as you all know, the next session is scheduled. So today is 8th, and the next session is scheduled on 22nd, which is again a Monday, 7 to 9. So 22nd is when the next session is. Can you write down and share even before that, maybe tomorrow itself, write down list of 20 customers with whom you will re-engage this month. Give them a call, have a chat with them, and one new conversation topic that you will use to just have a chat with them. आप किस बारे में उनसे बात करोगे एंड आप कौन से 3 तरीके हैं जिससे यू विल आस्क फॉर मोर बिजनेस फ्रॉम दिस पर्सन. सो टेक दिस एज अ चैलेंज. Talk to 20 customers, pick one conversation topic, and ask for more business. And I would love to hear, please use that WhatsApp group यार. वहां पे एक्शन कुछ है ही नहीं. आई वॉन्ट यू गाइज पोस्टिंग सेइंग मैंने ये किया, मैंने वो किया. वॉट एवर योर अचीवमेंट इज, प्लीज डू पोस्ट इट इन द ग्रुप. आई वुड लव टू हियर यार क्या हो रहा है. एंड नेक्स्ट 22nd when we meet, I definitely want to know from you how this activity went. कि हम 20 एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर से री एंगेज करके कॉन्वर्सेशन का टॉपिक लेके जब हमने बिजनेस मांगा तो क्या हुआ, और रेफरल मांगा तो क्या हुआ. लेट मी ऐड वन मोर थिंग टू दिस. 3 ways you'll ask for more business and referrals. Write down and referrals as well. I would love to hear from you on 22nd. But before that, in the group itself, a daily update saying I did this, I did that would be very nice, that we were able to achieve some goal. So, in a nutshell, the key takeaways that I want you to get from today's session: retention is cheaper and smarter than acquisition. Having said that, let me tell you, you have to do both. It's not one or the other. Engagement calendar keeps you top of mind. So make sure you have your engagement calendar ready. पूरा साल का एक प्लान बना दो, फिर सिर्फ उसको फॉलो करते बैठना है. अच्छा, आज आज का दिन सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट डालना है. अच्छा, आज का दिन ये ना, आई हैव टू सेंड दीज मेनी बर्थडेज एंड एनिवर्सरी विशेस. Next week I have to do webinar. So just make sure your calendar is there and do that. And conversation must add value. Always add value before you ask. And once you've added value, don't hesitate to ask for more business and referrals. I think that's a must. Don't ever hesitate to do that. And that brings me to the end of today's session, guys. I would love to see action in the group. Make a note once again. Re-engage with 20 of your existing customers. Pick one or two topics to have a conversation with them. And yeah, ask for business, ask for referrals, and please post in the group how it is going. How many conversations you had, how did it go, how much business, how many referrals did you get. ये करना पड़ेगा. करेंगे तो इसका रिजल्ट आएगा. And that's my suggestion. So that brings us to the end. The session is recorded, guys, and as usual, after this, I will upload this onto that page, and I will reshare the link where all the sessions till now are all visible in one page only. So you can refer to that. With that, I close, guys. Any questions? Or if there are none, then I'll wish you a good evening. So, any questions, any sharings anyone wants to do, please go ahead now. This is your time.
So I have one simple question. So अभी हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं engaging with existing customers.
Yeah.
So see, suppose I have two lines of services, and in one line of service there is a customer, and I want to engage with him for the new line of business, which is the investment management part. So is it an existing customer or a new customer? But it is a new service, but it is almost like a new customer because वो पूरा scratch से ही करना पड़ता है, the value proposition and all those things.
Yeah, so you're right. It is a new customer from the fact that वो KYC and this, that, and all
नहीं,
the.
even the value proposition जो आप उनको pitch करोगे, because कि अब we have to pitch ना कि this is a new service which we are doing.
Yeah. So, see, you have to do it. You are a chartered accountant. So, people are already consulting you for their regular accounting, taxation, and auditing services, right? Am I right?
Right.
So, somebody who is a chartered accountant is already a person they hold in trust. So, trust prima facie is higher than a cold call. Okay, I'm not saying 100%, but it's higher than somebody you're calling cold, and therefore आप बात करोगे तो उनको इंटरेस्ट भी रहेगा सुनने में. इट्स नॉट दैट दे आर गोइंग टू स्लैम द फोन डाउन. आपसे बात करेंगे, दे विल अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ यू नीड टू काइंड ऑफ रिविजिट द कॉन्वर्सेशन ऑफ the last session 4. So when you go to the recording, just make a note of the 9-step process that I have done in the session 4. That precisely talks about when you're opening a fresh product conversation with the customer, till the time the close happens, what are the 9 steps and how to do that. So it's a brilliant session. You should refer to that. After you've done that, if required, you and I can get on a call also. आपको अगर वो समझना है और डिटेल में उसमें क्वेश्चन है तो, बट रिफर टू दैट. The benefit for you is because you are a CA and you are doing some work for them, the trust is already at an intermediate level. It is just a small jump that you have to take. तो वो हो जाएगा.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining. I'll see all of you on 22nd, and all the best and do well. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.